I love shopping at small businesses, especially when it comes to plushies. First off, a lot of times small business have better ethics than larger business. Second, I know that the money is actually going to like help people like me pay their bills and not to making shareholders way richer. And third, I just love the quality and the variety and like the different things. I have a lot of different aesthetics that I'm a part of, and I love being able to find sea creature plushies and like cottagecore plushies and things that maybe I wouldn't necessarily be able to find in the more conventional stores. So I have plushies from 3 different shops today: Miss Yellowshoe's Creations, Nellie Designs, and by Hazel Village. Oops. Just drop that. Oh no, that's spilling. I'm going to start with Miss Yellowshoe's. Now, I originally found her because I love Hazel Village and because she makes similar plushies, and I followed her on TikTok and she followed me on TikTok, and I'm like, oh, your plushies are so cute. So I did one order, and then immediately after I made that order, she made Shetland cows, and I love Shetland cows. And yes, it can be kind of hard to find Shetland cow plushies, so I was so excited. So I got 2 plushies. They got a little flattened in the mail because they were at the bottom of a bunch of packages. First up, what's in here? I don't honestly remember what else I got because it's been a couple weeks now. Oh, that's right. It's a pickle keychain. I think these are adorable. I love pickles, and I just kind of want to have it to hang up behind me. Probably gonna live back here somewhere. I'll position it better later, but it can live in the background. I do have a lot of plushies decorating this room, and in part that's why I got these. Oh my gosh. Let's fluff up the fringe a little bit. Cece, her birthday is April 2nd. I am a sweet little Highland cow who spends downtime listening to old records found in my grandpa's attic. I love this skirt. I love the little ribbon around it. I actually got ribbon that was similar to this to use as like an accent, or a border to my own clothes. So I really love that a lot. And I just love the little top of her outfit as well. She's just so sweet. She is adorable. And where is Cece's friend? Can sit up there for the rest of the time. And they came with a note that says, thank you so much for helping me live out my dream. And like I said, that's why I love shopping at small businesses so much. When you follow them on social media, you can really see how like they grow and how it improves their business and how everything changes over time. Oh, some little stickers and a little gardening set. Oh my gosh, the gardening set is so cute. I'm gonna have to get like a little close up. There are some cute little cottagecore stickers. And then I don't know if this is gonna show up on camera super well. This adorable miniature gardening set. Ah, oh my gosh, they are so cute. Oh my gosh. And here he is, Avery. His birthday is April 2nd. Oh, are they twins? Hold on one moment, please. Oh, I saw you behind me. Cece, what is your birthday? April 2nd. Oh, they're twins. That's so sweet. Ah, let me fix your fringe. I have the green thumb and spend my days working on my hobby farm and stocking my farmer stand. Oh my gosh, that is so sweet. And look at the little horns. And his little overalls are so precious, and they're a little torn at the bottom. And I love the little button detail, and I love them so much. Okay. Join your twin sister up there. Okay, you two can never be parted. And oh, they have little flowers in their ears too. Oh my gosh, so precious. And I am mutuals on social media with Miss Yellowshoe's, but I've paid for everything in this video myself. I'm not sponsored by anybody. Nobody asked me to make this. I just love sharing things that I like. So Nellie's Art Studio. Now these are specifically like worry plushies, and I'm very excited about that. So I believe they are weighted, or at least the bag has heft to it. Not like super weighted. Oh wow, they're really well packaged. They got a lot of stuff keeping them safe. Here they are. And let me just say, I love when an animal like a plushie comes with a story or something like that. Oh my gosh, look at you. You're so cute, Wiley. Little patchwork on its belly. Hi, I'm your new worry friend. I am cuddly when you need someone to hold. You can rub my belly or squeeze me tight. The heart on my chest has a little felt circle in it that you can put your favorite smells onto to help you feel calm. I'm so glad I get to come home with you. Oh my gosh, look at the little wings. Oh my gosh, beanie little wings, beanbag wings. Sit up there with my cows. Oh, you're gonna be hidden by me. Oh no, Woodstock, you need to stay too. I got this lavender spice scenty stuff. I love lavender. Lavender also really, ants hate it. So if you've got a problem with ants, you can just sprinkle lavender around or leave sprinkles of lavender around. Okay, this is a lavender spice candle. Oh, this smells so good. This smells so good. I'm just gonna sit it over here, sit it over there so I can smell it while I'm recording. Nellie also had artwork, and tufted titmice are my favorite yard bird, so I absolutely had to get this. I'm gonna put it on a frame and put it on my wall somewhere behind me. In part, this was a ploy to get more decorations for my studio cottage perspicacity. Oh my gosh, look at the bunny, look at the faces. It says the same thing. This smells so good. Why don't you hang out there? I don't know if you're gonna be visible, but I know you're there, and that's what matters. It comes with a message that says more people should be like you. And obviously, like, I don't need to be told that I'm doing a good job. I don't need to be told that I'm helping, but like, I like hearing those things. I don't mind being told those things. As someone who has completely changed my life around, I really have put a lot of thought into like other people and they're starting their businesses and them living their dreams. And like, I don't want people to feel like they have to be in a desk job if they want to have a creative job. Like, sure, there's tons of people that want to be doctors and want to be lawyers and want to have desk jobs, but there are people out there who want to make plushies. I love being able to support that. Next up is Hazel Village. They are like one of the OGs in terms of plushies. While both Miss Yellowshoes and Nellie make most of the stuff themselves in home, Hazel Village is a little bit larger, and they actually have a bunch of artisans across a bunch of different countries where they are paid a living wage, where a lot of times they either can work from home or they have safe studios that they can work from, that they can take their kids with them. So I love the fact that I'm not only helping the people that work at the store here in the United States live their dreams and have a job they don't hate, but also it's going towards trying to help people that are in other countries and to get a product made in a way that is as ethical and sustainable as possible. Obviously, nothing is perfect under capitalism, but I love that they are trying to move in this direction, and their success will prove to other businesses that this is possible. So this is Augustus. One of the things that I love about all three of these is that their plushies have character, that they've put so much thought into these characters. Like, each character's outfit fits the description of who they are. And though a lot of times the details are kind of small and kind of more crude, all of the details are there, and the details are so cute. I love that. I love the little overalls. I love how they're all styled in such a cottagecore way and such a familiar, homey kind of grandma-core kind of way. And his name is Augustus Wild Boar. Augustus so enjoys his friends' tea parties, especially the tea sandwiches. Also, he enjoys tea party conversations, but he says his mouth is full a lot due to sandwiches. And one of the things that I love is, like, as Hazel Village has gotten larger and as their plushes have gotten more well-known, both the plushes and the accessories and the bandanas and things like that, because they all come wrapped in a bandana, they have increased in value as well, so there's a huge collector market. Me personally, I am a plushie cuddler and a plushies on display kind of person. I respect the fact that there is a lot of people who do collect these and that they do tend to increase in value over time. And I do know that people may balk at the initial price because they are more expensive, but the fact that they are being made in a more ethical way is just, it's big. All of the packaging is recyclable, and not every company can achieve these goals immediately. But like I said, when one company succeeds in this is Charlie the dog, a mini plush, it shows other companies that they can do it as well. The Hazel Village creatures all have like a full suite of things that they are released with. And like, look at the embroidery on this bag and the little tassels and the little detail. And it comes open. And what is inside here? What do we have inside here? I don't honestly know. Sandwich selections and memoir. And the book is even a book. It's got like descriptions inside. He's got a little sandwich board. Oh, it's so precious. And it just, the thing that I love about playing, and the reason why I think adults should play, is because play is integral to forming imagination and creativity. And like, I'm not gonna lie, I play with my plush critters. I dress them up, I pose them for pictures, I cuddle with them. All of those things, they just make me happy and more relaxed. And it's just the details on this. Like, everything is just so well made. Like, all of these are just so well made. Like, sure, you have the hallmarks of hand stitchery, but just like the attention to detail on everything is just incredible. And it just inspires my imagination so much. This little bag that he can put his clothes and stuff in too. Come on now. Oh my gosh, the little wool hat, and the wool hat has holes for his little ears to go through. Like, a lot of times when I am up late at night and I can't sleep and I just like, I'm dwelling on the sadness of the world, I play with my toys. Like, that sounds silly to some people, I'm sure. Oh, that's adorable. It just gets my mind off of the things that are upsetting me in the moment. It's just such easy, cheap dopamine. Oh my gosh, the little knit sweater vest. Oh, that's so precious. Oh, the embroidery on this. It's just remarkable how detailed these are. I love this. So that has been plushies from 3 different small shops. Like I said, the first 2 are a lot smaller scale than Hazel Village, so I kind of left Hazel Village to last. They have a greater number of characters, a greater number of accessories and things like that right now. But the thing that I love about small businesses is that if you do support them when they're small, if you do purchase from them, if you do share their posts, if you do comment on their social media and stuff like that, you get to see them grow. And hey, you may actually find that the plushies that you invested in start being worth more money. Fringe bonus, because I know some people just look at it from the dollar value. I know that a lot of people are put off by the thought of paying like $40 or $50 or $60 for a plushie, especially if they're buying it for their child. But when I factor in the fact that I know that these are things that I'm going to keep for years and that I have good memories attached to them, right? When I purchase plushies for myself, it is generally to celebrate achievements that I've made in my life. So a lot of times that feeling is wrapped up in that plushie, and I love it so much. And I hope that I have inspired some of you to go out and purchase some plushies of your own. And while we are talking about small businesses, this is a very small YouTube channel. While I am making this video, I have 1,755 subscribers. So liking, commenting, and subscribing really helps me out a lot too. Thank you so very much for your support and have a wonderful day.